everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to share with you how to make Yoshinojiru, chicken and vegetable soup thickened with starch. Yoshinoyama in Nara prefecture is the production area of Kuzu, arrowroot starch. You can also use potato starch or cornstarch because it's pricey. Thick soup keeps the soup warm for a while. It is also a popular school lunch menu. My son had it and he requested me to make it. I made it with frozen vegetables to save money and time. I think Japanese frozen vegetables are available overseas as well. I hope you find this recipe helpful and I hope you can try it out.
Here are the ingredients. Dice tofu into small pieces. Sliced shiitake mushrooms. Dice chicken into small pieces. In a large pot, put water, dashi stock powder. If you can take time, it's better if you can make dashi from scratch. I have the how-to video already, so please check it out. Add frozen vegetables with tonjiru. I think the package is available at Japanese grocery stores overseas. It's very convenient, but of course it's better if you can find fresh Japanese vegetables. Then add diced chicken. Bring to a boil and cook until the chicken is done. Now add shiitake mushroom slices, diced tofu, frozen spinach. Yes, of course, parboiled fresh spinach is better. Season with 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and half teaspoon of salt. Cook until heated. Stop the heat. Add starch dissolved in the same amount of water. Put on the heat again to thicken the soup. And now it's done! You can leave the soup for a couple of hours so that the ingredients can soak in the flavor of the soup and become very tasty. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have more school lunch recipes on my channel. I have a playlist, so please check it out.
食べてみてください。
오치케로사마와 오치케로사마와すごいって書いてます。
すごいじゃん。全部食べたじゃん。